Hello, a very good morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And I would like to explain to you about assignment number 2 on risk management. So for particular uh, this semester, we are so overwhelmed with COVID-19. And I think this is the right time for you to use the skill about your understanding on risk management, the techniques to assess on COVID-19 case. Okay, so we do have groups up to, I think, 11 groups so far in our class this semester, and we can talk about COVID-19 in so many point of view. Okay, so we have COVID-19 in Malaysia point of view. We have the region of Singapore. We also have COVID-19 in the region in the point of view of ASEAN, in the point of view of China. We can also talk about Thailand, how they manage, and 6, Brunei. We have much lower cases than us. 7, we can have the point of view of UK, or we can have the point of view of European countries. Okay, or maybe you want to talk about the countries like the German, the Dutch, the French, how they manage. Okay, 9, USA. 10, American Latin. 11, Canada. So why do I list down all these countries? So when you talk about case, when you read this assignment, you probably think that everybody will come up with the same thing. No, I wouldn't allow that. I wouldn't allow that because I want you to choose each of the group one of these point of views. Okay, one group only do one, and any group cannot have similar analysis. I mean, the point of views has to be not similar. Okay, so how do we do that? We have to discuss. Okay, COVID-19. So in the report, I want you to write about introduction, the background of the current issues, some SWOT analysis, and embed your risk analysis. Okay, in your risk analysis, you have to include the risk management process. Okay, first of all, what is risk management planning? So when we talk about, for example, the case of Singapore, okay, what was the activity being taken by the country in managing the pandemic? So how do they do risk identification? How did they perform qualitative risk analysis? Or could we perform quantitative risk analysis for the scope of Singapore? And risk response planning and risk monitoring and control. From all of these that you have written, okay, you have to come up with your conclusion and suggestion for the company that you are working on. In this case, in my case now, is Singapore. So in this part 4, you can say that these two are about the same thing. Okay, these both are about risk analysis, but this is just an overview. Okay, about what is risk analysis. You probably want to write about what is, why, when, who, and how about risk analysis. On the section number 5, we do not go into the overview anymore. We want to talk about action. Okay, this is the action that we need to do when we perform risk management process in doing risk management. And last but not least, the conclusion and suggestion. Okay, so when you look at this, okay, we have this chart. Okay, okay, we have this chart for risk management COVID. Okay, so we have these in your lecture note. Okay, this is basically what the action that need to be taken when you perform risk management. We have risk identification via risk register. Okay, you have qualitative risk analysis, you have quantitative risk analysis, and then the risk response planning and risk monitoring and control. All these you can find in your PowerPoint lecture notes. All the explanation are written here. Okay, so it tells you step by step how to perform risk analysis on your assignment. Please take a look at these slides and divide your activities with your group mates on your risk management assignment. I grant you extra time for you to be able to complete this. Okay, the deadline is supposedly on the 30th of November. Okay, I will put this as a draft. Okay, deadline for your draft, and I will extend it to another week. On the 7th will be your final submission. So everybody need to send in your draft on the 30th. On the 7th, that will be for your second draft or your final draft. All right, that's all for risk analysis, and thank you.